Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover distributive pronouns. There is a separate playlist of pronouns in English language on my channel, the link of which will be available right in the description box for you to check out. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns refers to all the members of a group individually, one at a time, each, any, either, neither, none. So basically when we talk about distributives, right, in English grammar, so basically distributives are a group of words in English grammar that discuss the division of a group, specifically dealt one at a time. For example, if you want to talk about the specific members of a group rather than the entire group, you can use distributives like each or every to show that you are talking about the individuals. Okay, so it is taken one at a time when you have to refer to specific people of a group taken individually. So therefore a distributive pronoun is used when they are more than one person or things, basically to indicate that the person or things are taken separately, okay, one at a time and not together. The words like each, every, either, neither are distributive pronouns, and basically when you are talking about the construction of these words like each, every, either, neither, they are always singular, they will never be plural, and therefore the verb which they will follow will also be singular. Okay, so basically a distributive pronoun is a kind of pronoun in which you deal with each of person and things to be taken individually, and therefore their spelling structures are always singular, they are meant to be singular, and the verb used will also be singular. Have a look at the example here. Each of the farmers of the country is in the favor of agricultural reform. So here the word each is a distributive pronoun which refers to individually each farmer, right? So each, the spelling structure is singular, it is singular, and therefore the verb is used is also singular. So therefore distributive pronouns are those pronouns which refer to each person or thing mentioned individually when they are in a group. Let us have a look at some examples of distributive pronouns in order to comprehend our knowledge about them better. The first one is, each of the girls in the class was disciplined. So therefore each of the girls in the class was disciplined means that individually you are talking about each girl in the class and they were all disciplined, but we take them individually, so therefore the structure of the word is singular and the verb used is also singular. Similarly, we have some more examples like, I need some colored pens, do you have any? So you are clearly basically your meaning is you are talking about colored pens, do you have any? That any refers to colored pens. Next is, Hamza asked either of the friends to contribute for the cause. So therefore either means that Hamza is addressing to two of the friends of the group taken individually. He asked either means both of his friends, right? Next is, we have two cats, neither one can jump. So the person had two cats, but neither neither the first or the second one could jump. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box below. So keep learning and keep growing.